Samsung's next Galaxy Fold 7 might provide a new level of thinness and usefulness to the market, and the battle to create the thinnest phone possible is accelerating in 2025. Leakster Theolox claims that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be just 8.2 millimeters thick when folded, which would make it almost half as thick as the 2019 original Galaxy Fold. The Oppo Find N5, which is presently the thinnest foldable in the world, would be 0.7 millimeters thicker than the Fold 7. The true question at hand, however, is whether Samsung can meet these specifications. In contrast to the ultra-slim 8.2 millimeters number, some previous rumors claimed that the Fold 7 will measure about 9 millimeters when folded and 4.5 millimeters when unfurled. But the message is clear. Samsung wants to make its foldables lighter, smaller, and more portable than before. A bigger, more immersive 8-inch main display and a 6.5-inch outer display are two additional alleged characteristics that the Fold 7 will inherit from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. These improvements should make the phone seem even more useful when folded. The anticipated 200-megapixel primary camera puts mobile photography on a whole new level for foldables by becoming the first sensor of that size to be included in a whole device. This time around, Samsung is focusing heavily on build quality. Rumor has it that the phone will have a more robust folding mechanism, an enhanced foldable screen that may make the crease much less obvious, and a better under-display camera for clearer selfies. It is anticipated that the Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, which powers the Fold 7, would provide flagship-level performance for multitasking and gaming. Additionally, there is talk that it could come with One UI 8, even though One UI 7 is still very new. Samsung's rapid software upgrades suggest that the Fold May 7th potentially have new functionality for foldables or some unique UI adjustments. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 will probably share the limelight during the launch event, which is most likely scheduled for early July. For foldable technology, this summer is looking to be really exciting. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.